Welcome back to our series on establishing healthy family habits. In this fourth part, we'll explore the importance of nutrition and meal planning for the whole family. Let's start with nutrition. Eating a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins is essential for supporting overall health and well-being. By prioritizing nutritious eating habits, you're providing your family with the essential nutrients they need to thrive. Next, let's talk about family meals. Making time for regular family dinners not only provides an opportunity for connection and communication but also promotes healthy eating habits. Whether it's a homemade meal or takeout, prioritizing family dinners creates a sense of belonging and reinforces family values. Now, on to meal planning. Taking time each week to plan meals and grocery shop not only saves time and money but also ensures your family eats nutritious meals throughout the week. Whether you plan meals on Sundays or prefer a midweek planning session, finding a routine that works for your family sets the stage for stress-free mealtimes. Finally, let's discuss cooking together as a family. Involving children in meal preparation not only teaches them valuable cooking skills but also encourages them to try new foods and develop healthy eating habits. Whether you're baking cookies, making homemade pizza, or experimenting with new recipes, cooking together as a family creates lasting memories and reinforces the importance of nutritious eating. And there you have it, the importance of nutrition and meal planning for the whole family. By prioritizing nutritious eating habits, family meals, meal planning, and cooking together, you're setting your family up for a lifetime of good health and happiness. Stay tuned for the next part of our series, where we'll explore exercise habits and physical activity for a healthy family lifestyle. Thanks for watching.